Okay, for this problem, I have a homework help problem that is multiplying fractions. So we're multiplying these two fractions together. We can just multiply them directly, just straight across, gives us x plus 4 times x plus 3 over, I'll just put parentheses around each one to show that they're separate, times x squared minus 16. Okay, so once we get it just multiplied straight across, we want to see if there's anything we can do to simplify. So the x plus 4 is a linear term. There's no common factor between x and 4, so we can't simplify that. Same thing with x plus 3. But if we have this quadratic x squared plus 5x plus 6 term, we can use the rule that when the coefficient of the x squared term is 1, we're looking for two numbers that multiply to get c, the 6, and add to get b, which is the 5. So to find two numbers that multiply together to get 6, that would be either 1 and 6 or 2 and 3. And in order to add to get 5, let's pick the 2 and the 3. So we can write this, I'll bring down the numerator, x plus 4 times x plus 3 over, since we picked 2 and 3, we're going to factor this into x plus 2 and x plus 3. So that simplified the first quadratic factor there. Let's bring down the x squared minus 16, and we need to factor it next. This one, because x squared is a perfect square and 16 is a perfect square, we can use a difference of squares formula. So the difference of squares formula is a squared minus, that should be a b squared, is equal to a minus b times a plus b. So in our x squared minus 16, this would be x squared minus 16. That makes a would be equal to x, so we can substitute in x for a. And for our b squared, in order to find a b squared to be 16, since 4 squared is 16, that makes b is equal to 4. So we'll substitute 4 in for our b. So it'd be x minus 4 times x plus 4. So let's sub that in for x squared minus 16, and that gives us x plus 4 times x plus 3 all over x plus 2 times x plus 3 times x minus 4 times x plus 4. So then from here, if there's any common factor on both top and bottom, we can cancel that out. So we can cancel out x plus 4s on top and bottom. We can also cancel out the x plus 3s on top and bottom. Notice that everything canceled out of the numerator, so when that happens, you want to leave a 1. And then the factors that stay on the denominator are the x plus 2 and the x minus 4, since they didn't get canceled out. And that would be the answer. So if you have a homework problem that you would like for me to write you up a step-by-step video, just leave a comment and I'll see what I can do.